Hello, just a quick haul with some craft items and some charity bits that I picked up. Anyway, before I forget my manners, welcome back to my channel and thanks very much for joining me. It's always a pleasure to make a video for you. Right, so I picked up some stuff from the Blue Cross charity, as you know, and I picked this up. Isn't that pretty? Picked that up. It's a little cushion, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the lace from around it because it's stuffed with something. I don't like the sound of it and I don't like the feel what it's stuffed with, so I'm going to cut this lace off and keep that. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the cushion part of it, but it's really nice and I love using lace. I normally use lace on my journals when I'm making them, or any tags and, you know, pocket letters and stuff. I tend to use a bit of lace here and there. So that was that. I picked that up. And these doilies, that one's got a bit of a tear in it, but it doesn't matter because the scallops are really nice around it. That's really nice. There's two the same size here. And what I would normally do is just use the scallops anyway. So I got those. And then here's a one. This one's a bit tarnished, but if I give it a good wash, I'll soak it in some soap powder for a few hours or overnight, and it should bring it back to its original colour. So that was that. And these are my favourites. These, I picked those up. Lovely, aren't they? Really happy with these. So I've got 3. And these will really come in handy for when I'm making my journals, decorating them and stuff, because I do like a bit of lace. It feels really cozy when you put lace and fabric in your journals. That's my opinion anyway. It just feels nice and cozy. So I can use this for journals. So that was that. And these were £1. I paid £1 for those. I got this, oh, I forgot to, this I picked up from the Blue Cross as well. Love that. He says, I'm not old, I'm vintage. That is really nice, and it's a hanging one. You hang that. It's metal. It's metal. And what I most probably do is join it with ribbons, take the wire out and join it with ribbons. I'm not quite sure yet what I want to do, but I really do love it. So I picked that up and that was £1. Okay, so I got these from Poundland. I needed some envelopes to make some envelope flip books. So that's 2 sizes. This is the C6 size envelope, and this is 140 millimeters by 162 millimeters, and they're peel and seal. So I've got those. And these ones are slightly smaller, 89 millimeters by 152 millimeters, and I'm happy with these to make envelope flip books. Picked up these stickers as well. They're tile stickers, and there's 112 in there. It's all alphabets and it's double-sided. So these are nice. Tile stickers there. I've got those, and they're Disney as well. Got some flowers, roses, and you've got the princesses from the Disney characters, the girls. So that's that. What else did I get? then I picked these up. This is 6x6 paper pad, Love to Craft, and this one's Rainbows and Daydreams. It's got the unicorns. Oh, so lovely, so pretty. That colour, lilac, is beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, there we go, unicorn. That's nice, that's really nice. Yeah, oh, got the rainbows with the unicorn on top. That's lovely, that says sparkle. And that's pretty as well, really pretty. Yep, so that one is Love to Craft, by Love to Craft, obviously, and it's Rainbows and Daydreams, 6x6 paper pad. Then I got this one, and I really love this one. Another Love to Craft, Marvellous Marble. Look at these marble papers. Look at these marble papers. Ain't they great? You see the marble pinks. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, purple's lovely. Yeah. So I've got that. Then I picked this one up again, another Love to Craft, Floral Fancies this one is. And it's got some really pretty little florals. These stripes are nice. The little delicate florals. I'm not hot on a lot of flowers bunched together, but I like the delicate ones. These are so little and delicate. This is a lovely one, the butterflies. The leaves are nice. Oh, flowers here. And the pink. Yeah, so it's lovely and delicate, because I don't really like big bunches of flowers in one setting. Another Love to Craft, Paradise Blooms, this one is. Oh, this one is beautiful. A real summer one. Oh, coconut and the glass with a straw. This is lovely. Beautiful. This is Aloha Paradise. It says this way to the beach. Good vibes. Lovely. That's pretty. Stripes. And the sunglasses. Really, really nice. So I was so pleased with those. And they were from Poundland. And these I got from Hobbycraft, the ink pad. They were in the basket for 50p. That's from Hobbycraft. That's the pigment ink stamp pad. And that's really nice. It's a lovely colour. Deep pink. And I picked this up. This is like twine. I've never used this before. Never used this before, but it looks really good. Yep. It's like straw. It's really nice. What do they call in this? Baby pink raffia reel. 30 meters, and I picked this up for 50p as well. So I can do lots with this. For embellishments. And I needed one of these, the glue sticks. So I've got the glue in a tube, but I needed one of these ones, the glue sticks. And this was £1 from Hobbycraft. But I was really happy with my buy. So thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and also hit the red bell for when I upload new videos. You'll be notified. Thanks very much again. Take care. Bye now.